Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche Lt. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag sensor, front reading lamps, daytime running lights, passenger illuminated visor mirror, CD player, telematics, driver airbag, and keyless entry. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.